How to add KCC to MetaMask. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can add KCC to MetaMask. So KCC stands for the KuCoin Community Chain, and then to add it is simple. The first step is to open your MetaMask extension, just like I have done here. Then move to the top left corner where you can see your network drop down, then select it. After selecting it, you can see the different networks that you've added and that are available on your account. Then if you cannot find KCC here, just go ahead and click on add network, and then on this page you can see that you cannot find the KCC network here. So go ahead and click on add a network manually. Then on this page, you can see network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency ID, and block explorer URL. So for you to be able to add this particular network to your MetaMask account, you have to ensure that you have gotten all of this information. And how do you get it? You can get it by contacting the customer support of MetaMask or by checking online. Alright, you can just open a web browser, and then if you know the keywords to use, just type it out. For example, the RPC URL for the KCC or for KCC. Alright, just type it out, then click on enter, and then you can see the URL be displayed as well as the chain ID. So you can just copy this, come over to your extension, and then go ahead and fill in the required information. For example, the first information here is network name. All right, so just go ahead and type out network name, which is KCC. Okay, KCC. And for the RPC URL, just go ahead and paste it. All right, once you've gotten it, and then for the chain ID, just type it out, which is 321, and then for the logo, this is it, and then just go ahead and click on save, and as you can see, the KCC network has been added. So you can decide to switch to it if you want, or you can just dismiss it, and then by the time you move to the top left corner of the screen, you can see the network there. So that is it. This is how you can add KCC to your MetaMask extension. Thanks for watching and have a good day.